Hello class, this is Brian from financialtrainingschool.com and welcome to GT211 Coping Strategies. So my question to you is, how do you attribute failure? There's a psychology term called self-serving bias, and basically when this happens, you blame external factors for your failure and you attribute success to internal factors. Now I used to do this a lot in my newbie days. I would just sit there losing trade after trade, and I would basically sit there and blame the markets, i.e. blame the external environment, i.e. I'm losing because the markets are bad right now. But there's something wrong with that statement, because nothing's wrong with the markets. Financial markets have been active for decades. The problem lies with you, because by the end of the day, it's you who makes the decisions whether or not to enter the trade. You click that button, I want to enter the trade. You want to buy that stock, you want to enter a put option, call option, enter long or short orders on Forex, whatever. It's your decision based on what you see. So the problem is you. And there are three potential causes for this. A, you're overwhelmed with theory and you don't have enough application on the charts. B, you're overcomplicating things or you're overthinking simple concepts. Or C, internal or external pressures, i.e. you might need money to pay bills, or you lost your job so you need to make more money here, or whatever. You can't do that because you need a clear mind to trade, and you haven't given yourself enough time to let the knowledge sink in yet because you're rushing towards the profits, and it doesn't work that way. So the solution for you, the best advice I can give you right now is go take a break. Okay, I'm serious. Take a few weeks off, take a month or several, or up to a year off. Whatever it takes to clear your mind of financial markets. Clear your mind completely. Okay, don't open the charts, nothing. Seriously, go back to your normal life. Okay, I know many of you are not full-time day traders, so this shouldn't be a problem. Whatever you give up in your previous schedule to trade, do that. So if you normally watch TV during the morning session or something, then go back to watching TV. Or during the evening session, during Asian markets. If you normally watch the show, go back to watching that show, etc. Go back to whatever you were doing previously. For me personally, I have school, business, tutoring, etc. It's easy for me to take my mind off trading. So nowadays, I'm extremely patient. I don't even trade that often anymore, but there used to be a time when I was literally addicted. And note, this is an extreme version of a study break since it's longer. Study breaks are recommended for students because it increases retention and understanding of concepts. Thus, when you come back, you'll hopefully have your epiphany moment when you notice something you didn't see before. And don't even think about cheating, okay? Don't think that switching to demo counts as a break. You literally have to go cold turkey and quit. It's like going on vacation. You leave everything behind, you go away, when you come back, it'll still be there. Okay, financial markets are here to stay. They've survived through the Great Depression and the recent 2008 financial crisis, so there's nothing to worry about. I doubt they're going to disappear anytime soon. And when you do come back, you can start with demo first if you want, to see if you still have what it takes and try new strategies if the old ones are still failing. As I mentioned in GT205, I don't really like demo since fake money doesn't work for me. I go straight to live, but that's just me. But for you guys, if you want to, practice first on a demo account prior to trading live again. Lastly, you may have withdrawal symptoms. Depending on how active you are, you may go through withdrawal symptoms, which causes a relapse, causing you to come back sooner rather than later. So my question to you is, why were you trading in the first place? Are you looking for a business, a supplemental income, replacement income, fun, whatever your reasons are, go find something else to take your mind off trading. So if you wanted a business venture, go find another one. You want a source of income, go find a job again. Get back on the job market. Try to do something to take your mind off trading. Regardless of what you choose, taking a break is a must. If you're not successful after the first break, i.e. you don't have your epiphany moment when you come back the first time, then you just trade a few more weeks or trade a few months, and then guess what? Take another break. Okay, take as many breaks as you have to, because there's no rush when it comes to learning trading. If you remember from my story in GT205, it took me about a year to 2 years to fully grasp the concepts before I started making these videos. But in that 2 years, I didn't trade continuously. I traded on and off because I had school, I had work, I had other commitments, so I took breaks when I needed to. And then when I came back, things were just more clear. As an aside, the whole concept of not learning this overnight may be elaborated further in the GT400 series, because this is more of a thought experiment, so it's a high level thought process. Because as new traders, you're more immersed into the actual trading versus me. I'm an experienced trader, so I've had the chance to take a step back and look at the big picture. And in the big picture, taking breaks is good, because the notion of taking breaks normally only sinks in after you've had experience with trading, which is why it's going to be put in the 400 series, because that's after the 100, 200, and 300 series. So hopefully you take my suggestion on taking breaks if you're struggling with trading right now. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time.